This is our sample database. Now I'm going to go into my test constituent and I am going to create some duplicate data in here. That's how we add duplicates. So we're going to add duplicates, and then we're going to add friend a couple times. So we've just added student and friend, and we added student 3 times and friend twice. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this friend and these 2 students. And the way we're going to do that is using SQL and Charity Automator. Before we synchronize, we're going to write our query. So we want to keep one of the constituent codes while we delete all of the duplicates. This query should give us the data we want to delete. So what it does is it selects from RE constituent code the first ID grouped by constituent ID and description, where the count is greater than 1. It's going to return all of these where there are duplicates, and it's only going to return the first ID, so the minimum ID, and where the constituent and description is duplicated. It's the same constituent with the same constituent code description. Then with this CTE, we join it onto our final select. And so the final select is a select on constituent code, inner joined on the duplicate CTE, where the ID of the constituent code is not equal to the one that we filtered on here. So what this final select gives us is all of the duplicates that we want to remove. So whereas this gives us the one we want to keep, this gives us the ones we want to remove. And this is what we actually want to push in the data. We'll add start date and end date here, so it becomes part of the comparison. Let's check this one. So this is a situation where we only want to keep one of these, right? We don't want both. It looks like our query is working fine. So let's map it now in the constituent section. We're deleting constituent codes. And so we mapped it to the constituent code ID field. And then we're going to track the description in the description, and we're going to track the constituent ID in the start field. So all this does is it just throws this map data into our backend so that we can log what we've deleted. Now you mark it as a delete and you submit. We've picked up the changes I made, so that's complete. So everything is ready to go for our deletes to work now. Just going to show you that these duplicate constituent codes are still here. Refresh, they're still there. I'm going to run our sequence. It's this one here, delete example constituent codes. So our sequence is in progress, it's running. All right, so our sequence is completed. Now if we refresh this page, as you can see, there are no more duplicates left, just 1 student and 1 friend constituent code. So we successfully deleted the 2 other students and the 1 other friend constituent code. And that is deleting with Charity Automator, deleting duplicates.